Hello everyone. So I have a pile here and I know I need to go through the pile of just stuff sitting in here. But I figured maybe turn it on. Have you guys watched me go through and pick up where I kind of just like left off? That's digital, that's papers. I've been trying to go through and put stuff away that needs to get cut. This is a journal I made a while ago, and it's old Hollywood. Themed. So I've been slowly working on putting stuff away. I just keep, is what it seems like. I just keep things in this pile of stuff, and this is just one of them piles that I just keep on saying, oh, I'll work on it a different day and all that jazz, and then never go back to it. Again, it seems like it's never, sorry for the hiccups, never ending lately, this pile here. I just keep on adding to it, and adding to it, and adding to it. Every piece of mail I get. Another stamp back in here. This is just like a piece of paper. Another piece that I did this with you, I think, a long time ago. Still haven't finished it. I just need to add paper to it, honestly. This needs to get sewn. That's just random. Here. These need to get sewn. And these are all my pieces of paper that will be fine to use. Another stamp. thermometer for my kids. Not sure how much of this you guys can see, but that goes in the junk drawer. This is more random stuff. Okay. And this is a mini journal that I had made at one point. So this all can go into my bedroom. And I think I'm going to put in the spot where that stuff came from. My big vocal points are going to go over here. Yeah, that looks much better. Trying to find a spot for this, so that works out in the end for this. Here's a spider. All right. No. That's too big. This should work. All right. These are no reason for them to actually be sitting over here either. They are my lanterns that were given to me. They go in my bedroom. I'm wondering, would that work? Ooh, there. And then I have a stack of them here, so we can just set them right in here, and voila, we're good to go there. This is a vocal point. And this can go in my finished area. So, I mean, honestly, that I get emptied several trays now. There's another emptied one. Emptied one. This way, as I need it, I can pull them out and use them. I also have this one, which I have no idea why I have all these. I know why. I buy them from Dollar Store because they're cheap and easy to use. But then, once in a great while, you run out of reasons to use them. But then, again, I end up needing them for other things, so it always ends up getting used eventually. No, that ain't gonna work. Just thinking about using one for one of them, and that ain't gonna work. There. Alright, so thank you for joining me for a quick little organize with me. I just wanted to clear this up a little bit. It seems to sometimes just keep on adding up. Not necessarily a good thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye.